event went really well today. It was very well attended for such an early time in the morning, and it was fantastic to have the Secretary of State here who shares our vision in terms of what we're doing for transport in Birmingham, but not only what it does in Birmingham but how it connects to the region, but also how it connects to the UK economy as well. So it was great to have his support. So Birmingham Connected is the City Council's vision for a 20-year strategy. It looks at how we're going to transform our mobility needs in terms of public transport and how we're going to respond to that economic growth in population so that we can move people around and goods around in the most sustainable way. So in order to get people out of their cars, we need to make sure that we've got a transport system that's fit for the 21st century so that we can create that choice. We can have a range of different modes of transport which are more sustainable, so better and more efficient bus opportunities, better and more efficient train services, walking and cycling as active travel modes as well that can support that mobility need. So the outcomes through having this long-term transport vision will support the economy of the city. So as the city grows, so we can make sure the transport networks are supporting that. It will also look at ways in which we can have more sustainable travel, so we can reduce greenhouse gases, improve air quality, and then also it will have another side effect in terms of improving people's health through those active travel modes, through walking, through cycling, as real options for moving around the city. Well, the challenges for the future are really, in the short term, we've got a big delivery plan that we need to get on and do. And whilst we're doing that, there will be some disruptions to our road networks, but the overall aim is to create those improvements that they will bring. In the long term, one of the challenges will be around how we fund some of the further aspirations that will make a real difference to Birmingham and how people move around. And that's something that we need to concentrate on, is how we're going to get that funding in order to deliver on what we need to do. Well, cities across Europe have 70% of the population, and as the migration into cities grows, we've got to deal with that increase in population and making sure that people can still move around. With a limited amount of space for travel modes, it's really important that we use that space really efficiently, and making sure as the population grows we can still move people and goods around. There's a lot of information available on birmingham.gov.uk/connected, and there are policies on there that we need to look at refreshing. Our work programme is on there, and as we bring forward those policy changes and looking to refresh that documentation, people will have the opportunity to have their say about how we do that.